Hello everyone, it's time to resume our study of probability. Since probability was developed to gain a better understanding of gambling, most of the examples are about coin tossing and playing cards. And so some of the initial examples we'll look at are playing cards. So if we consider a normal deck of cards, there are 4 suits with 13 different cards in each suit, giving us a deck of 52. So as an example, if you calculate the probability of getting a card that's a spade, which I've denoted as probability of spades, in a single draw, there's 13 ways you can do that that coincide to success, and 52 total ways. So that gives us a probability of 1 in 4 of drawing a spade. If you haven't seen the cards, it doesn't matter if some of them were previously dealt. If cards are exposed and not replaced, then you have to make some changes in the total number of cards. But it's always best to use the notation for conditional probability when that happens. Similarly, though, we can calculate the probability of getting a king. There are 4 kings in the deck, so the probability of getting a king is the number of successful occurrences divided by the total number of events. There are 4 ways of getting a king and 52 total choices, so that's 4 in 52 or 1 in 13 for the probability of drawing a king. Similarly, we can calculate the probability of getting a pair when 2 cards are drawn. It doesn't matter what the first card is. When you take 1 card out, what you need to do is you need to calculate the probability of getting a pair from the rest of the deck. So that means there are 3 cards in the deck that match the one that you drew the first time, and 51 total cards. So the probability of a pair when 2 cards are drawn is 3 in 52. The probability of getting 5 spades is you have 13 choices in 52 for the first card, 12 in 51 when you draw the second, and so on. You multiply all those together and you get a small probability. On the other hand, the probability of getting a black card is 26 in 52. The probability of getting a red ace is 2 out of 52. And then we can compound those probabilities. They're disjoint events, so we add them. That gives us the probability of getting a black card or a red ace is 26 in 52 plus 2 in 52, which turns out to be 7 in 13 when you add those 2 numbers together. So that's that probability. So those are simple probabilities with cards. We'll stop this recording here and I'll give you some homework problems to try using these sorts of examples.